Thank you for your interest in the professional diamond microdermabrasion system. The tabletop design makes operation a breeze and sheds valuable counter space in clinics, spas, and salons alike. This revolutionary device is equipped with a wand that features a diamond tip, making it able to provide an accurate abrasion treatment with no danger of ingestion or any other type of damage. When turning on the power switch, you have the option to control the suction intensity based on the client's comfort level. Diamond microdermabrasion resurfaces the skin without surgery by using sterile diamond heads to peel and rub off the top skin layer's dead cells. The vacuum is connected to the microdermabrasion handles. As a result, the dead skin cells are sucked away. During treatment, the vacuum meter will show the intensity of the suction on the skin. The system includes 9 interchangeable diamond tips and wands. The sizes range from small to large with fine, medium, and coarse for each size. As a reminder, please keep all original packaging until you've fully tested all functions of the unit. It is recommended to keep the original packaging until the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functionalities. Thank you for your interest in the professional diamond microdermabrasion system.